Deleting permanently files from Dropbox is pretty simple. It's important to know that when you delete files from Dropbox, they are first moved to the trash or deleted files folder from which they can be restored within 30 days or longer if you have Dropbox business account. To permanently delete them, you can go to the delete the file option. You can go to the website of Dropbox. You can navigate to the file or folder. You can click on three dots and you can now select delete from the drop down menu. This will be moved from trash. Now you can go to the trash option here. After clicking on the trash section, you can delete all the files that you wanted to delete permanently. You can even use the same thing for Dropbox app and mobile. So this is how you can use Dropbox to delete files permanently in simple steps. Dropbox again is a famous cloud storage platform that helps users to store your data and files with the help of cloud without relying on your native storage.